Welcome everybody. Today we are going over the expressions quiz review since we got a quiz tomorrow. So let's get started. I'm just going to work through each problem. If you don't need to see a problem, you can fast forward through or try the review and see which ones you need help with, and then you can come back and watch the video. It's up to you. But here it is. We are going to say which one is not equivalent to 3n plus 12. So let's first just simplify each one and see what you get. N plus n plus n, there's 3 n's there, plus 12, so that one is equal. This one you should distribute. 3 times n is 3n, plus 3 times 4 is 12, that one is. This next one, n, 3 n's again. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So this one has to be the answer. It's not equal because the 3 n's are equal, but the 4 and the 12 are not equal. Okay, next one we have to plug in 10 for m and then follow our order of operations. So we are going to go 3 times 10, which is 30, divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Next one, we got, what is another way to write the expression? 22 more than q. More than means addition. So we would add q plus 22. All right, here's some more translating. Let's see, which word phrase has the same meaning as m over 8 plus 3? So m over 8, that is division. So we're looking for words that tell us that we're dividing. Quotient, that tells us we're dividing. Divided. Times, nope, that's multiplication. Divided. Product is multiplication as well, and the product is multiplication as well. So we just got to figure out 3 more than the quotient. That means we're adding 3 to m divided by 8. Yes. Check. The quantity m minus 3 divided by 8. No. That would be m minus 3 divided by 8. That's what that would look like. M divided by 3 or divided by 8 plus 3, yes. All right. Now we got to use our order of operations in solve. So what I'm going to do is parentheses first. 5 plus 4 times 6 then. That's what I get out of the parentheses. And I'm going to rewrite each step. I'm going to multiply. That's, what, 24? 5 plus 24, now divided by 2. So I have to divide before I add. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 5 plus 12 then is 17. So my answer is 17 on that one. Next one, more order of operations. 4 minus 3 first. That gives me 1. So I'm rewriting it with that in the parentheses. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. You just got to remember, multiply, divide first, then add and subtract. Okay, we've got some exponents, everything involved here. So we got parentheses first. 7 minus 1 is 6. So I'm going to rewrite it. 4 times 6 squared minus 3 times 5 squared. So 6 squared and 5 squared. That means 6 times 6, which is 36. 5 times 5 is 25. Now multiply these. 4 times 36. I don't know what 4 times 36 is. 4 times 36 is 144. And 3 times 25 is 75. So now I can subtract, and I get 69. But you got to write out each step, otherwise you're going to make silly mistakes. So just do it. Get it over with. Okay, let's write this one out. 8 minus 5 is 3, so 12 plus 3 squared divided by 3. So we got to do my exponents next. That is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, so 12 plus 9 divided by 3. I got to divide first. 12 plus 3 then is 15. All right, which ones have like terms? Like terms means the variables are the exact same. This one, nope, because P didn't have another P over there. M and M, yes. X and Y, no. T and T, yes. M and MN, no. They got to be the exact same. And XY, XY, yes. So those three is what it would be. Got to have the exact same variables or no variables. Could be 3x plus 1 plus 2. That one's got like terms, 2 and 1. Okay, combine like terms. So these are all like terms. They're all x's. So we just add them all up. 15 plus 8 plus 25 plus 22 plus 9 plus 11. It's 90. So my answer is 90x because they all have the same variable. They're all like terms. Okay, next one. Identify the number of terms. Well, terms are separated by addition. So 1, 2, 3, 4 different terms. So there's 4 terms. The terms are 8, 9y, 4b, 8m. That's it, just number 4. You're also going to have one on your quiz tomorrow that is 2x plus 1. And it says, what is the coefficient? Well, the coefficient is the number that's sitting in front of your variable. Don't put the x with it, otherwise it's going to count it wrong. Then it'll say, what's the constant term? The constant is the number that's sitting by itself with no variable. All right? So you will have one like that on the quiz as well. Simplify. Okay, so once again, we're combining like terms. We'll start with A because that's the first letter in the alphabet. 5A has nothing like it, so it stays the same. Next one is D, 4D. And then I've got my constant terms, 5 and 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. So that's it. That's all I can do to simplify. I cannot put A's with D's. I cannot add my 12 with any of those because they're not like terms. All right, now we got subtraction in there. We don't like subtraction because I can't move problems around or parts around in a subtraction problem. So I'm going to get rid of this subtraction, make it plus negative 9. Now I can move everything around, use my commutative property. So 7x plus 7x is 14x. Negative 9 plus 10 is 1. So there's my answer. And then the last one, once again, get rid of subtraction, don't have any. So now I'm going to combine like terms, and I'm going to go in alphabetical order. So M, there's no other M's, right? So that one's done. X, 2x, there's no other X's, so that one's done. Y, there's no other Y's, so that one's done. And now I can combine my constant terms. 8 plus -4 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. So I would have to type in all of that. That's as simplified as we can get. All right. So that's what we got on the quiz tomorrow. And then you guys all need to make sure you're showing up for class. Check your email for the schedule. Show up to the Google Meet on Monday and Tuesday, November 30th and December 1st. Have a good one, everybody.